Good morning. Happy Thursday. Last day of the week to trade. Tomorrow is July 4th, so it's going to be a federal holiday and not worth trading that. So, where are we at? We are trending up, all time highs, and that's really it. We're close to pre market high right now. We held previous day high and made a big move up. We had unemployment was lower than expected. More jobs were added than expected. So some bullish sentiment. We'll see. If we do break pre-market high, we have no levels above this because that would be all-time highs. We'll just try to be patient. We do have news 15 minutes and 30 minutes into the day. Those are, let me pull it up here. At 9:45 Eastern, we have final U.S. services PMI. At 10, we have factory orders and ISM services. I'm not sure how much of a impact that will have, but it is there. He's looking a little stronger than ES right now. Alright, market opens, break alt, and then new pre-market high. What's up, man? Mm-hmm.
I got here a little late. I'm still trying to set it up.
Just setting new all-time highs like every second.
Yeah, right? Oh, it's crazy. How do you trade this? I don't even know.
Got any plans tomorrow? Shoot some fireworks at your neighbors?
I work tomorrow.
Me too.
This is my plan.
We're essential. The economy would crash without us working on July 4th.
For real. They need us. Modern day slaves.
The shitty thing is I probably won't get might jack shit for money either because I doubt very many people are gonna come in. Everybody's out on vacation. Nobody's working. This week has just been slow. Because here we're like, it might be different for you actually because Miami people like vacation there. Like nobody vacations to Charlotte. And since we're like equidistant to either the mountains or the beach, like everybody leaves Charlotte and goes to the mountains or the beach. So it's like holidays like this, like July 4th, like dude, nobody's coming to Charlotte for July 4th. Everybody's leaving and going to the beach or like the lakes or something. They're just the I don't know, bars and stuff are kind of dead. And kids are out on school like summer break, so families can actually like go places. That's weird. I thought it would be like a good time for bars and restaurants, but turns out it's kind of like the summer is like a slow time. Well, NQ had one red candle on the 2 minute, and now it's trying to set new all-time highs. Should have longed it. Should have known. Moving 30 points in like a minute. Not even. I hate it. I mean, ES is stronger right now. He's kind of like sitting. ES is making new highs still. Wouldn't mind like a retest of pre-market high, maybe ounce. Oh, I don't really have anything I'm looking for right now. Other than that, maybe retest pre-market high, but that feels like a trap.
Might just be one of those days you go long. And
No stop loss.
go long. Little flag on the 1 minute.
On NQ. And then it looks kind of gross though. Man. NQ testing for my guy. Looks a little nasty though. "15-minute on NQ looks nasty."
Yeah.
That's what I was saying. I was like, if it breaks all-time high and then pulls back into like pre-market high, it feels like a trap. It feels like it's on a drop. I don't trust that. Maybe it holds. Maybe I'm an idiot, but we'll see.
I feel like despite it looking very short bias, it's just gonna keep climbing.
Yeah, I don't want to bet against it. I wouldn't short it, but I just wonder if it has a larger pullback before it continues. Like traps buyers in and then kind of stops them all out and then goes. But I don't know.
Yeah, that 15's crazy. It's about to close.
Yeah, ES looks a little better for the upside. I mean, quite a bit better. 15-minute, 5-minute, 1 minute. Although NQ could hold in here and bounce for sure. Pull it back a little further though before it does. NQ pulls back a little further, ES gets all the way down to pre-market high, maybe. Oh, damn bullshit. We have news at 9:45 too. I don't know if it'll do anything.
Looks like it's gonna close like halfway.
Maybe the pre-market test was an opportunity. It looks nice now. Yes is strong, still set new highs. Ranking.
Well, I'm tired of losing. I used to win every night of the week. Yeah, back when section and amphetamines were the staples of our childhood physique. You used to tell me we'd turn into something. Oh, you said life was much better than this. Yeah, but the closest I come to perfection's when you turn around to steal a kiss. But you never trusted tomorrow.
Try to long on NQ with half size.
To live your life.
I did too.
Well, you love this
Numbers
heart
get off
and
this
this
15.
six-string girl. Oh, but they've been out of
Though it should probably
tune.
be wider.
Yeah, I took it down to that 5-minute wick. Got like a 20-point stop. I'm aiming for high a day, which is almost like 40 or 36 points. Oh, I might get it though. That would be beautiful. A little pumperooski, give me it.
Well, you say, oh, I love so many women, only so
What's your
many
entry?
women.
950, like right on the dot.
Oh,
Yeah, they
wow.
say, oh, you get lost in complexion and the structure of a well-placed smile.
Decent.
But luckily,
I've been using EMAs on the 2-minute, and I got that entry just based on like the EMA tap, and it can be really good. Gives a nice like risk to reward a lot of times.
On the 2-minute?
Yeah, I found this guy on Twitter, and he uses a 2-minute chart, and he uses the 13, the 48, and the 200 EMA. And like in a strong trending market, you kind of ride like the 13 deeper pullbacks to like the 48, and then like final call or like the 200s, kind of like really the bearish or bullish. Like if it's above the 200, I'm probably not looking to short too much. But he uses as like just kind of like a trend indicator and helps him with like pullbacks, kind of anticipating where it might pull back and be able to enter. ES is looking real strong. What? NQ to catch up.
Things just take it now. Well, Apple's taking off right now. You got stuff like Tesla going kind of down. Messes with NQ. I'm jealous of your entry. That would have been better.
Yeah, it turned out to be pretty solid. might move my stop to break even if it fails to break high a day. I don't want it to pull back and stupid. I don't like how it's struggling up here while ES is setting highs. Oh wow, okay. That does it. That was it for me.
You're out?
Yep. Yeah, I only took a couple contracts, so I set a take profit just above high a day, anticipating a break high, new highs. Probably could have kept a runner, but with only 3 contracts, I figure I should just lock in a decent move. Should I went full size?
I took 5, sold 3.
Damn. Yeah, that's beautiful.
Stops at break even for the others.
I had like a rough week and a half on these accounts where I just like could not grow them. Like I'd have a green day and then just lose it the next day, and then like have a green day and then a red day, and I was just like break even for like almost 2 weeks where I just couldn't grow it. This week's been good.
Yeah. Break even is better than losing it.
Dude, that's all I'm trying to do, man, is like as long as I don't blow my accounts, they grow over time, you know? It might not be as fast as I want it, but if I can just avoid bad like tilt days and stuff, like over time my accounts go up, so just have to be more patient.
Yeah. That's always what it's been for me. Just those one bad days.
Yeah.
You look at the Apex eval charts and it's just like oh.
Yeah, I guess I didn't really have runners because I mean, I don't know how far it will go. 23,000 though, that's a fun little level that it just like barely missed. Nice whole round, big number.
Gonna be 23 years old.
The markets close early today?
I believe so, yeah.
Oh, I thought it was just shut down tomorrow. I didn't realize it closed early today.
I don't know about futures. Futures, well, I think they close early, but later than,
Yeah, it's like 1 p.m. I think is when the stock market closes, what I just saw on Twitter. Ooh, new all-time high! Let's go, dude. Good shit holding runners. I probably could have held one, but yeah.
hit 23 exact. Attaboy.
Dang. All right, all right, all right.
Where'd you sell?
Like high a day, so like 86, 986. It was like 36 points.
I'm just gonna let it ride.
I think that's smart.
Stop at a 15-minute candle.
I'm gonna refill my coffee and then I'll hang out here for a little bit with you. But I don't think I'm gonna take any more trades. I'll be right back.
I am. Yeah, thank you. I am.
Alrighty. You puffing on that freaking Delta 9, dude? That THCA?
What?
That's if you're puffing on that Delta 9.
Oh man.
Ooh, nice little pump. Let's go, man. Let's go.
Maybe I shouldn't. There's no reason to get out, but I don't know.
Did you sell one?
I sold both.
Dang, yeah. It might just keep fucking going, dude. It's looking weird. Especially with the news candle reacting that way. Oh, I don't know if it stops. I mean, you know, it'll have pullbacks, whatnot, but I think it climbs today. Looking that way. But no, that's a hell of a trade, man. Good stuff. Glad we were synergistic there. We didn't even really say anything. We were just like, oh, both got in.
Similar entries, you know.
Yeah, I like to win with my friends. Oh, dude.
That was solid. I wish I sized up, but I don't know. It's just sketchy.
Right? I took it half size, and now I'm like, damn, that would have been an absolutely banger if I had. So I would have been able to trim at my original spot and then leave a runner. Yeah, it would have been a juicer. But hey, for only 3 contracts, like 200, a little over $200, I'll take it. Okay. Risking that 120, not bad. It's just popping.
It already left my chart.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Is with it reacting that way off the news candle, I think we have some steam. Damn, man. Alrighty. I'll probably head out then. I don't want to FOMO.
Yeah.
Just watching it just blast off.
Pretty good. Looking like a half up.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy. 15-minute charts are no joke.
I'm gonna start making patterns like that.
Like posted it on.
Pattern folders just like a time transfer.
Like a big red day. It's just like the caveman. You're like, yeah, it's caveman off the roof.
It's just a head and shoulders. Spine transfer, bro.
That's a nose slide, dude. I don't know what you're talking about. This market isn't choppy. It's just doing the fucking 50-50.
Guys, we just got a kickflip McTwist.
It's like a quick reversal. You're like, oh, that's a pop shove it. Little 180.
Yeah.
Jeez. Do you have the weekend off? Do you have any days off?
Well, Saturday's my birthday,
Oh shit, happy birthday, man.
so I requested it off, but we'll see.
They better give you your birthday off.
I don't know if they give it to me or not, but they probably will.
Just screenshot your fucking profits from today and send them that. Like I'm quitting. Was that on your live account? Did you have an Apex?
I got 3 evals.
Dang. Yeah, I got 2 that I'm 300 away from passing now, and then I have 1 PA that I passed, and I've just had it sitting, waiting for these other evals. I need to activate these, and I'll trade 3 PAs. And as long as I'm not an idiot, let me get a payout for the first time in my life.
And that's still going. Almost 30 more points.
Yeah, it's almost 100 points for my entry.
Yeah.
A few points away. Ah, good thing I didn't want 100 points. That would have been shit, dude. I like 36 points.
So pissed.
Yeah, 100 points hurts. Your 36 points is perfect. I don't like having too much profit. Uh,
No resistance, though. I don't know.
that's what I'm saying. That's why I just took it at like break a high day because I was like, I don't know what's gonna happen.
All you really have are like round numbers.
Yeah, yeah. 23,000 was one that I would watch, and then after that, I guess 2350 increments of like 50 points.
Yeah, it's pretty wild. All the chaos going on in the world, and it's gonna keep going up. All-time highs.
Either they know something we don't, or it's the setting up the biggest rug pull ever.
Mm, that'd be wild.
No, I think it's just I don't know. I think pretty much it's the expectation that we're going to inflate our way out of it, and eventually rates will come down at some point. Which I think we're just on the inflation station.
My coworker asked me the other day, like, what should I invest in? I'm like, buddy, it's too late. All-time highs.
You should just tell them Solana, Ethereum. No. Tell them to buy Bitcoin and the S&P 500.
Buddy of mine has been like putting money into XRP.
Oh shit. Okay.
I don't really know too much of it, but
It popped off recently. I don't think it's doing too bad, but it was stagnant for like 5 years. It set an all time high back in like I don't know 2019, and then just I think it just broke it this year. Honestly, the play is just to stack bitty Bitcoin. Like a, I mean, if you're gonna buy crypto, crypto is the land of the. It's like the
pretty
I don't even.
futures.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, they have Bitcoin ETFs. You could do that as well. I used to not be invested in Bitcoin, and now starting to see the light.
There's a Bitcoin, not directly, but like a Bitcoin penny stock that some people I used to follow got into. I don't remember the ticker name though.
Hmm. The US dollar is going to be backed by Bitcoin like it once was gold.
Crazy.
I don't know if that's, I just said that, but I think it will happen maybe. That'd be kind of
That thing's
crazy.
just chucking. That candle's vertical. Forget the quarter pipe. This is a vert wall. close this up though. Decent day. Take it and run. You work today?
Yep. I closed every single day this week,
Hmm.
and I'm getting burnt out.
Off the weekends?
Yeah, that's just how this week's schedule played out. It's kind of different every week, honestly. But I took time off last week to go to the beach over last weekend. So this week, a lot of people were out for like 4th of July, so that I'm just scheduled like every day.
Hmm.
But it's all right. Make some money, I guess.
At least it's after the market. You
Dude,
can trade.
yeah, it's honestly this setup has been a blast. I mean, it's like perfect because I can trade pretty much every morning and then work in the evenings. Kind of perfect.
I got a friend. He works at a different hotel. We've been trading buddies for a while, but he doesn't. He like trades while he's like driving,
Okay.
like at work.
Hell yeah, dude.
I'm like, he tries to do the best he can, but like he doesn't have mornings off, so like he just trades while he's like shuttling people to the airport and all that.
Bro, if I saw my driver, he's got if
Sometimes
he's got trading view up, I'm like, brother, get out of that position. We're gonna crash and die. Like, can you imagine going on tilt while you're driving? You see your driver just mashing the buy button. You're like, I think we're gonna die. This guy doesn't care anymore.
just starts screaming and like honking the horn, banging on the horn.
You got the people in the cab just like praying that he hits his profit. You're just like, please don't crash, please don't crash out. Yeah, no, that's crazy work. That's hilarious. I respect it though. I respect the grind, the hustle.
Yeah.
It's tough, man. I've thought about that. What I would do if I had to work mornings and I couldn't trade. If I would try to trade like the evening sessions, but they're so low volume, and I've tried before. Good lord, dude, you're watching NQ bounce around like a 2 point range, and you're like, oh, what am I doing, dude? It feels gross.
There's
It's
some
like,
traders who do it.
no. It feels like it's the equivalent of like when you go into a strip club and it's like noon. You know what I mean? Like you shouldn't be in there at night. Yeah, you don't want to. You don't want to leave and it's light out. How trading NQ in the after hours feels fun. I've only been to a strip club once.
Get
I
a
don't
better
really know what I'm
trade
talking
with
about.
the London and Asian session.
For sure. Yeah. No, I look at pre-market. There's some good moves in there for sure.
There are some. at the top.
Alright, sir. I'm gonna get off now.
All right, brother.
Have a good one. Enjoy, well, shit. Oh, have a happy birthday.
Thanks, man.
Hopefully, you get your time off. If they don't, quit. Peace.
Yeah. Later.
Alrighty, we hit one trade and it was a little Winsky. We only took it with half size, so it's a smaller day overall, but nonetheless, the account continues to grow, and we finished the week with 4 straight green days. Take it. Do a recap right after this, so we'll go over everything, and then yeah, I'm off. I'm not gonna trade tomorrow. I don't think it's even open tomorrow. If it is, it's not worth trading. So don't waste your time. Other than that, hope you have a great long weekend. Happy 4th of July. Eat a burger, drink a beer. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you next week. Peace. Thanks for being here. Thank you.